welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a simple Python program to add a prefix or a suffix to a particular string. Okay, so without any delay, let us jump into our PyCharm. And PyCharm now. For this program, firstly we have to ask the user what the string is, and then we have to again ask the user to add a prefix or a suffix, right? And then we have to check if the user has entered the prefix or suffix, and then according to that we have to add it before the string or after the string. If it is a prefix, we have to add the word before the string, and if it is a suffix, we have to add it at the end of the string, right? So firstly, getting into the process, let us go step by step. I'm asking for the string. Let the string be str and input. Enter this string. Right? Now I want to ask if the choice is to add prefix or suffix. Let's say choice is equals to, again, input prefix or suffix. Right? Now I have to check if the choice is prefix or suffix, right? If choice is equals to prefix, it is a string, right? I have to add quotation marks. If the choice is prefix, I want to add it before string, right? So firstly I want to ask the user what the prefix is. Prefix is equals to input, give your prefix. Now I want to add the prefix before the string and produce the output. I'm using a print statement here. Print prefix plus string, right? And let us do the same thing for suffix. Elif choice is equals to suffix. Let us ask for the suffix. Again, input, give your suffix. Suffix is added at the end of the string, right? So print str plus suffix. Yeah, we are done. Now I'll run the program. Enter the string. Let the string be learn. I want to add a suffix to it. Let my suffix be ing. Yeah, we got a string learning, right? Again, I'll rerun it. This time I want let it be long, and I want to add a prefix to it. Pro. Yeah, we got a final string prolong. You can develop this program as the way you want. You can give the choices. You can give more choices, and also you can give if the prefix, if the user does not choose anything between prefix or suffix, then you have to produce an error, right? So else print choose between prefix or suffix. So in this way you can develop the program as the way you want. So this is a basic concept to add strings. If you want to add it before the string, you have to give it before the plus operator, I mean the left hand side of the plus operator, and if you want it to come at the end, you have to give at the end, I mean right hand side of the plus operator. Okay.